welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making smothered potato wedges. First we'll need our ingredients. We will need baked potatoes, tomatoes, natural yogurt and cheese. First we need to chop up our potatoes into wedges. We also need to make sure our oven is preheated. Mine is. Okay, now the potatoes are all cut up, we need to place them on our tray. Now we'll need to put them in the oven. These will take about 10 minutes to cook. While the potatoes are still cooking, we'll need to chop up our tomatoes. Okay, so they've had about 10 minutes now, so they're ready to come out. Okay, now we'll need to sprinkle them with cheese. Now we'll need about half full of tomatoes and sprinkle them on top. And now we'll need one more handful of cheese to come on top of the tomatoes. Now we'll need to put this on the tray. Open the oven and put them inside. This will only take a couple of minutes because it's only to get the cheese melted. Okay, so the cheese is melted and they're ready to come out of the oven. Now, they'll need and here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.